susceptible to some riders and may cause injury to some riders with pre-existing conditions. This ride is not recommended for elderly guests, expectant mothers, those with high blood pressure, and guests with heart, neck, back, or physical limitations that could prevent normal seating or use of the safety restraints provided. All riders must be wearing shirts and shoes before boarding. Busch Gardens assumes no responsibilities for lost or damaged articles. For the safety of all our guests, loose articles are not permitted. Please place them in a locker or leave them with a non-rider. For your safety, you must be a minimum of 54 inches in height to experience this attraction. Thank you and enjoy your ride on Tigris.
Mientras disfruta de su paseo en Tigris, le pedimos que por favor cumpla con las siguientes reglas diseñadas para su seguridad. Esta atracción, por su propia naturaleza, tiene fuerzas y velocidades que podrían no ser adecuadas para algunas personas y pueden causar lesiones a personas es recomendable para personas vulnerables. Por el uso de los sistemas de seguridad. Tigris. Busch Gardens no asume ninguna responsabilidad por artículos perdidos o dañados. Para la seguridad de todos, por favor coloque los cintas y no se vaya a subir.
You've conquered Tigris. Exiting guests, please unbuckle and lift up on your comfort collar and lap bar. Exit quickly and carefully to your right. Thank you for riding Tigris and have fun getting the rest of your day at Busch Gardens. Seats directly in front of you.